Мы решили просто город стереть с лица земли. Вот.
At least 160 public hospitals were reportedly closed in Russia in 2024, including 18 maternity facilities and at least 10 children's clinics. Russian civilians in small towns and villages have frequently been left with reduced or unavailable medical care as a result of the closures, including now limited pre-hospital services, the UK Defense Intelligence reports. Russia's prioritization of funding the war in Ukraine has highly likely resulted in insufficient funding for healthcare. This has led to shortages of medical staff, expertise, and equipment in the medical system. It is almost certain the scale of Russian casualties, over 500,000 Russian service personnel wounded so far, continues to strain Russian military medical system at all levels of medical care, causing significant logistic problems and resulting in a shortage of military medical personnel. This negatively impacts care delivery and has likely led to the diversion of medical resource from domestic civilian population to the military, further contributing to the large-scale impact to civilian hospitals. The numbers of healthcare professionals in Russian hospitals serving the domestic civilian population will likely continue to decrease throughout 2025. Traditionally, Akhmat heroically shows up in captured towns only after other Russian forces units clear them when it's safe to stream on TikTok. They liberated Sudzha heroically on camera. By the way, when Ukrainians invaded Kursk, they were first to run away.
Мы решили просто город стереть с лица земли. Вот. Здесь что было? Сельскохозяйственный техникум. А здесь что было? Администрация,
Дом культуры.
Да? Дом культуры.
Администрация там дальше. Такая-то примерно, как здесь.
Вот там что это?
Another case where children, instead of a carefree childhood, play with weapons and trophies preparing for war. A boy, 12 years old, in a bulletproof vest with chevrons and an AK-74 near unit flags, dreams of becoming a soldier. Kursk region and the Russian world.
А ну-ка скажи мне что-нибудь, внучек. Ну ты одет по моде. Как зовут?
Серега.
Серега? А фамилия?
Боев.
Боев? Ну показывай свое хозяйство. Что тут у тебя? Ну покажи. Серый, покажи. Автомат чей? Ну-ка. Перезаряжать умеешь? Ну, холостой спуск сделай сначала. Да, теперь на предохранитель. Ну, слушай, ну красавчик, смотри. Что это такое у тебя?
Номера военные дают название.
Тебе?
Да?
А какие флаги? Покажи, Серый.
Ну вот он, 40-я есть.
40-я. А ты знаешь, что за 40-я?
40-я, 2-й батальон, морская пехота.
Серый, ты мне скажи, а кем ты будешь, когда вырастешь? Ну, в какое училище пойдешь или что?
Да?
Какое?
Ахмат.
В Ахмат. Ну, перед этим военное училище или нет? Какое?
Ахматов.
Ну, у них есть боевые подразделения, а военное училище это Рязанское.
Рязанская.
Десантное. Ладно, на обратном пути я заеду к тебе, и мы договоримся, чтобы тебя взяли.
Хорошо.
Давай.
A volunteer known by the call sign Dutchman has shared powerful new footage from the frontline city of Pokrovsk. Battered but unbroken, a steadfast symbol of Ukrainian resilience.
Літом в цю школу ми привозили людей з пекельних напрямків. От. Потім звідти їх вже вивозили на евакуацію далі. Отак от. Отак от тут. Гляньте. І майже. Місто Покровськ, 14 березня. Хто там каже про припинення вогню, про перемир'я, а? Завтра вже, да, закінчиться війна? Судячи по тому, що росіяни роблять з цим містечком, та й взагалом по лінії фронту, так що це не здається. Я, звісно, не політичний експерт, але щось мені підказує, що навіть якщо щось там вони домовляться, наші східні сусіди все одно не витримують обіцянки. Все одно будуть порушувати все, що можна. Така їх сущність.
Ukraine is running out of missiles for its SAMP-T air defense systems, Corriere della Sera reports. Kyiv has urgently asked Italy and France for at least 50 Aster-30 missiles to replenish its stocks. I don't want to say it, but we are dealing with Putin. It is going reasonably well, but it's a complex situation. Regarding the 24-hour settlement, I was a little bit sarcastic. What I really meant was that I want to get it settled. If Putin doesn't agree, it will be bad news for this world. I think he will agree because I think I know him very well, Trump said in an interview with Fox.
Are you speaking to Putin in the last days or hours personally?
Well, I don't want to say it, but we are dealing with him, and I think it's going reasonably well. It's a very complex situation. You know, it's a bloody, terrible war.
I'm not understating the complexity of all this, but as a candidate, you said you would have this war settled in 24 hours.
Well, I was being a little bit sarcastic when I said that. What I really mean is I'd like to get it settled.
What's the plan if Putin doesn't agree to a ceasefire?
Bad news for this world because so many people are dying, but I think he's going to agree. I really do. I think I know him pretty well, and I think he's going to agree.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.